Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into an Amazon India sales dashboard created using AIV. This powerful tool helps us to visualize and analyze sales data, providing valuable insights for better decision making. So let's get started with the video. Here is a high level overview of our dashboard. It showcases key metrics such as total sales, average price, total units sold, and total city products are distributed. Additionally, we have various visualization including bar charts, pie charts, and line graph to represent different aspects of our sales data. Let's start with the key metrics. At the top, we have total sales. This KPI represents the total revenue generated from all sales transactions. It is the sum of all the sales amounts totaling 1 crore 2,25,625 Indian rupees. Second is average price. This KPI indicates the average price at which products are sold. Calculation. It is calculated by dividing the total sales amount by the total number of units sold, which is 301 rupee. Next, we have the total unit sold. This KPI shows the total number of units sold across all products. It is the sum of all units sold for each product. Totally 3,874 total units are being sold. And the last KPI which we have is total city product distributed. This KPI indicates the number of different products distributed across various cities. It is the count of unique products sold in each city, which is total 23 cities where the products of Amazon India are being uh, distributed. All these four matrices provides a quick snapshot of overall sale performance of Amazon India. Next year, we have the sales by product bar chart. It highlights the top selling products such as Nestle Roundtree Screamers, Nestle Nobly Bobby, Nestle Rolo Pods, and Nestle KitKat. We can easily identify our best performing products and focus on optimizing inventory and marketing strategies for these items or the products. Moving on to the next, which we have is sales distributed by region. Is a pie chart. It break down our sales by various regions across India, such as Delhi, which has 70.25 percentage, Maharashtra 70.4 percentage, West Bengal with 9.9 percentage, Gujarat with 6.79 percentage. This chart helps us to understand where our products are most popular, enabling us to tailor our regional marketing efforts and to improve overall sales. Next, we have the total sales by city, which indicates has a line graph providing a detailed view of sales performance in different cities, including Mumbai, Bangalore, Kolkata, and many more. This visualization allows us to track sales trends over time and identify cities which the highest and lowest sales help us to strategize better for each location. And lastly, we have the products available in the inventory. This is the pie chart which shows the distribution of different products in our inventory. Such products such as Nestle, Rotary Screamers, KitKat, and many more. It monitors the inventory levels, ensures we maintain optimal stock for our best selling items, and prevent stockouts or overstock situations. In conclusion, this AIV dashboard, Amazon India provides a comprehensive and visual representation of our Amazon India sales data. By analyzing these matrices and visualization, we can make informed decisions to boost sales, optimize inventory, and tailor our marketing efforts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and tutorials. Thanks for watching.